Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So, by default, your Garmin activities might be visible to everyone. Your routes, your home, your routine. So you are currently asking on how to manage Garmin Connect privacy settings. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and lock that down in today's small tutorial, of course. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. All we're gonna do right now is open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. We're gonna go all the way to look for our Garmin Connect app. Hit on the profile, then it will open automatically. All you're gonna do now is log in using your email address and password, then tap on this three-dot menu or more. As for now, we're gonna scroll all the way down till you see settings, so just go and look for settings. Then go and find profile and privacy. It's basically the first option here. As you see, we have the name, location, and every other detail. So if you are on desktop, you can also click your profile icon, look for account settings, then privacy settings. The three critical changes. 1. Set your profile and activities visibility to only me, not everyone, not connections, only me. That's it. As for 2, turn off the heat map contribution basically. This stops Garmin from using your routes in public aggregate data. As for 3, go to privacy zones on desktop. This is not in the app. You should add your home address. Set radius to basically like 500 meters or something like this. Now every run automatically hides your start point basically and end point. You should even fix your old activities. So the trap is the new settings. It only apply going forward. Your past activities are still public. So on desktop, you should go all the way back to privacy settings, tap on update past activities, select only me and confirm. If you still have some problems within the app or the settings, go all the way and connect to basically the setup or basically the support. They're gonna help you. They're gonna basically erase all of them data, so don't worry. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.